Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your trusted and globally recognized supplier for the machine tool industry. Today we are presenting the PickCell PC20i with totally integrated automation. The bed base on the PickCell is made of mineral casting, which is highly effective in vibration damping. The FNUC control and FNUC drive provide a high level of process control. The raw parts are filled in the 8-station workpiece storage. The spindle head travels in the Z and X axes direction, and the 12-fold tool turrets are firmly integrated in the frame. Spindle speeds are up to 4,500 revolutions per minute, and 18.5 kilowatts of power allows powerful machining. In addition, the design of the machine allows for trouble-free chip fall and collection without obstruction. The standard accessories also include a high-pressure coolant system and chip conveyor. With the C-axis and the VDI 40 tool turret with driven tools, workpieces can also be milled and drilled radially and axially in one setup. From the hydraulic 3-jaw lathe chuck with a diameter of 210 mm, finished parts are deposited in the workpiece storage and the new parts are picked up. Further expansion stages, including production lines with turning stations from the first to the second side of the workpiece, are also included in the delivery program. For more information on this vertical lathe with integrated automation, please contact your KNUTH representative today.